Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the two commonly confused words in English language, and those are there, T-H-E-I-R, and T-H-E-R-E. So I'm going to explain you in detail about the difference of these two commonly confusing words. So let's get going.
Yes.
So there and there have different meanings and are used in different contexts. Here's a simple explanation with the examples. T-H-E-R-E. There is typically used to indicate a location or a place. It can also be used to introduce a sentence or provide emphasis. Example 1. Now Ishal is going to give you the example of T-H-E-R-E there.
The cat is over there near the tree.
Yes, the cat is over there. The book is placed over there. So it is always used to, tell us the location. That one book is over there. The red one book is over there. So when we, tell about the location of something, we have to use T-H-E-R-E. Can you give another example, Ishal?
Yes. There are many books on the shelf.
Yes, there are many books on the shelf. It means there, T-H-E-R-E, is used to tell the location of something. Now, hope you have understood T-H-E-R-E. Now, let's move on to the next confusing word, which is T-H-E-I-R. Now, T-H-E-I-R is a possessive pronoun where we have to possess, show possession, stress delta jiske upar, which indicates that something belongs to a group of people or things. It always used to show possession. It is their book. ये उनकी book है. T-H-E-I-R is used for उनकी. So Ishal, can you give us some examples?
Yes. Their house is painted blue.
Good.
It's their house.
It's their house. ये उनका house है. It means when we are using T-H-E-I-R, so we are using it for showing the relation कि ये उनकी चीज़ है. We are their neighbors. हम उनके neighbors हैं. It's their house. ये उनका house है. Okay, fine. So now we are going to give you some more examples so as to make you clear. Their house is big. The children put their books in their bags. All of their friends were crazy. So this was all about today's video that we have showed you through T-H-E-R-E and T-H-E-I-R along with the examples. I hope you have understood it. Now let's do the recap. T-H-E-R-E used for location when we are referring to something, and T-H-E-I-R is used for the person when we are referring to some person, कोई relationship show करने के लिए. Okay, so I hope you have understood T-H-E-R-E and T-H-E-I-R and you're going to use it correct.
Like, subscribe and share.
I love it.